Welcome.
Welcome.
Episode number 96.
96.
Ultra RC Hobbies Show.
Yes.
So we're going to do it a little bit differently today.
Yes.
As you can see. We don't have a filming man, so it's just Chris and I.
But we are two men on film.
Touche. So, what we're going to do tonight is we're going to do UDR running footage. We're finally going to race.
We're going to race.
By popular demand, we're going to race. So, we don't really have much for this episode because obviously it's Christmas. And Merry Christmas to everybody. If you didn't come down to the shop and do Boxing Day or anything like that. So Merry Christmas. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the running footage of the UDR. So we're going to race. We finally got some fresh snow. Christmas Day we got snow.
Yes.
So it's not completely just sheer ice yet. So we're going to try and get this done ASAP.
Yeah.
So on tonight's episode we're going to talk about that. 442 is pretty much done.
Yeah.
Is there any more footage for 442?
I ain't got no more.
No, so it's all done, all ready to go. We just need a wheel and tire combo.
Yeah.
That's all we got. So, yeah. So let's get right into running footage of the UDRs. Okay, so we're out here.
Yes.
It's actually kind of nice outside today.
I'm cold.
No, you're not. It's
I'm
not that
always cold.
So what we're going to do is we'll show you the course. So we're going to both be running on 4S. The biggest difference is Chris's UDR has a max 8 with a 2200. And Max 6 the 2200, sorry. Mine is stock Traxxas electronics. 4S on both. I'm running the 6700 4S from Traxxas.
7200 4SL from Gen's Ace.
Gen's Ace. So I'll give you a quick rundown of the track. So
and I'm also on different tires.
Yeah, oh, right. That's the big one.
That's the biggest one.
I'm pretty much all stock Traxxas. He's Traxxas, truck, Hobby Wing ESC motor, Gen's Ace battery, Hobby Wing, or Traxxas. Proline tires. He's leaving, so he's gone. So let's do a quick view of the track here. One sec. We have a tire set up over here. So you go around, loop around the tire, go this way, back around. Then we have another tire in the snow. You can just see right there. And then we gotta go around the corner and back up. And there's another tire way down there. And we gotta go meet back over there. So that's where we're at. We're pretty pumped about this race. It's one lap, winner take all. Let's do it.
Okay, we're alive.
Okay, who's counting down?
I will, but I gotta move.
Okay.
You mark? Get set, go!
Oh no! The UDR's gonna get stuck.
Okay, what are you doing?
How'd you like that?
We're gonna do one more race.
Okay, we're gonna do one more race because Chris's truck I think has way more traction than mine. So now we'll really see how what the evener is. So good luck with that. It has no traction. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Go!
I'm still gonna win! Where's the truck? I'm gonna win! That was close, man.
That was close. Does that count? Doing 10 blocks up around the tire?
We keep saying something, we still taking or...
Well, that was fun. Good race,
Yeah.
Good race.
Good race.
We'll call it the UDR with Hyraxes are way better. So if you have a UDR and you haven't bought Hyraxes yet, 12 out of 10 would recommend because it makes a big difference.
Yeah.
So that's it for the race. We're gonna call it 50-50. If you have Hyraxes versus Hyraxes, it's way better.
Yes.
So there you go. That's the end. My truck's going away. I know. So that is the end.
Yeah.
Episode number 96 of the Ultra RC Hobby Show.
And you can see who won.
Yeah, well,
The Hyrax tires.
Hyrax.
Obviously a better tire choice.
I feel like the true winner is just the tires.
Yeah.
Really.
I almost
It wasn't
had you,
drivers.
though with your truck, man. It came down to the last straightaway.
Dude, I was dogging you.
No.
I was following you.
smooth,
I could have dumped you like
smooth.
3 or 4 times, but I didn't because I was the true professional racer here. Didn't want to have
Didn't
good
wanna
sportsmanship.
Make you feel too bad.
Yeah, I was gonna have good sportsmanship. So, but the true winner really is the Proline Hyraxes because they did make one heck of a difference, and I'm amazed. It's about minus 12-ish today, and they didn't even get hard. So I think that was the big one. But the biggest thing I think with those Hyraxes is them having a little bit more of a siping to them. Definitely cleaned the snow out and added a pile of traction. So that was the pure winner. So thank you so much for tuning in. But before we check out and sign out for episode number 96, don't forget to go over to our Facebook page and enter to win Project 442. If you missed a Project 442, go over to episode 95 and check out what we did, what the truck's all about. But go over to our Facebook page and see how you can enter to win 442 for free. Yes. Don't forget to hit him up on all his social media platforms, RC Deebs, on Snapchat. Nope.
Instagram,
Facebook, and YouTube. Damn, I suck. Every time. It's always Snapchat for me. Because, Ultra RC has a Snapchat and an Instagram and a YouTube, obviously, because you're watching this video on YouTube, and Facebook.
Yeah.
So, like I said, don't forget to head over to our Facebook and enter to win Project 442. Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell to get notifications. And I think that's about it. So Merry Christmas, everyone. Hopefully everyone had a great Christmas. And we'll catch you on the next one.
In the new year.
Yeah, you will. Have a great day, guys.